If your hair is stagnant in growth, breaking, thinning, or shedding like crazy, don't worry. Today, I'll bring to you one of the most powerful remedy that will help you to solve those problems. And this remedy is bitter leaf. Do you know that bitter leaf will be a game changer for you? Do you know that bitter leaf can save those your hair, help you to achieve your hair goal, and treat those your hair issues? I used this remedy once and the results were unbelievable. My hair feels stronger, softer, healthier, and I saw visible results overnight. Guys, that's no joke. So if you want to know how all this happened, keep on watching. To prepare this powerful recipe, we need just one main ingredient: fresh bitter leaf. Let me tell you why this leaf is a miracle for natural hair solution. It stops hair breakage instantly, stimulates new hair growth from the roots, fights dandruff and cleans the scalp, reduce excessive shedding, and make the hair shiner, softer, and super strong. I believe that so many of us don't know that bitter leaf can be a game changer for you, can help you to solve those your hair problems and achieve your hair goals. So if you don't know about bitter leaf, or if you have not heard about bitter leaf for your hair growth solution, please let me know in comment section below, okay? And also, if you know about this bitter leaf for your hair growth solution, also let me know in comment section below. Guys, this bitter leaf is a whole game changer for you. It's not only to use this bitter leaf to cook delicious soup, you can as well use it to solve your hair problems. And I believe that this bitter leaf is everywhere. You don't need to buy this. If you don't have this bitter leaf in your compound, just walk around in your neighborhood. Definitely you're going to find this bitter leaf and use it and solve those your hair problems. There's no joke. This will give you shock results. So what I just did, I plug out the bitter leaf from the stain. After plugging it out, I wash it 3 times, okay? After washing it 3 times, next I bring my blender to crush it. Please, if you don't have blender, do not worry yourself. You can as well use your hand to squeeze it. Just add a little water on the bowl that contains your bitter leaf and use your hand to squeeze it. You still get the same result with the blend, okay? Just that the blend make it more faster for me, okay? So I went off camera to blend it. After blending it, I bring my bowl and my shift cloth to extract out the juice, because what you need is the juice. Guys, please do not let down on this bitter leaf juice recipe. This is a game changer for you. With this bitter leaf juice, say bye-bye to that slow hair growth, hair breakage, hair fall, itching scalp, dull scalp, and also excessive hair shedding. This will help you to solve those problems. Instant application. There's no joke. I can't wait to hear from you when you try this recipe, because this recipe is tested and trusted. So let's talk about the benefit of this bitter leaf in our hair. Bitter leaf contain vitamins A, B, C, B1 and B2, which nourish the scalp and stimulate the hair follicles, help to boost blood circulation, encourage thicker, longer hair growth, strengthen the roots, stop hair breakage and thinning hair. It also helps to replenish moisture, repair damaged strands, remove build-up and dirty, fight dandruff, itching scalp. It also contain anti-inflammatory and the antioxidant properties that help reduce excessive hair fall, smooth and calm the scalp, restore a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. I believe that you have seen the reason why bitter leaf juice is a game changer for you, to help you to achieve all your hair goals, to solve those your hair problems. There is no joke with this plant, and I believe that after watching this video, you will never let down on bitter leaf juice anymore, and that bitter leaf tree in your compound or in your neighborhood, you will not allow it to rest. Yes, I'm so happy to share this recipe with you guys, and also let me know your own opinion in comment section below. So after stress joining it, I transfer into my applicator bottle for easy application. So now let me demonstrate to you on how to use this bitter leaf juice to achieve your hair goals. There are different ways to use this bitter leaf juice to achieve your hair goal, to solve those your hair problems. First step is to use it as a pre-poo. Apply it on your hair. Give yourself a gentle scalp massage. After applying it, cover up your hair some hours. Go ahead and start washing your hair. Another way to use this bitter leaf juice to get that good result is to use it as your final tea rinse. Yes, final tea rinse after washing your hair. Do all your wash day routine. Let it be last stage of your routine. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover your hair. Carry it as long as you can carry it. It can also carry it overnight. Yes, and after the next day, rinse your hair off. But if you can't carry it overnight, you can carry like 5 hours, 6 hours, as long as you wish. Then rinse it out and moisturize your hair. Okay. Another way again you can use it to get that good result is to use it as your weekly treatment. And if you want to see faster results, this weekly treatment will work so amazing for you. It will help you to solve those problems faster. Yes, so you can apply it 3 to 4 times in a week. Guys, you will see crazy results. Your hair shedding will stop, your hair fall will stop, your hair thinning, itchy scalp, dandruff, slow growth. You start getting a lot of new growth. Your hair will feel so softer, stronger and healthier. Okay, so if you want to see that faster results, faster effect with this bitter leaf juice, use it as a weekly treatment. And how can you use it as a weekly treatment? Prepare the bitter leaf juice the same way I did mine and pour it all over your hair. Massage your scalp. Please don't skip scalp massage. If you don't have scalp massage too, you can use your hand to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp will make these products work so well and will help you to see amazing results. Okay, do not skip scalp massage, please and please. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair, leave it overnight. Yes, leave it overnight for that faster result, for that best result. Okay, the next day rinse it out. Just apply this method 3 to 4 times in a week. Guys, in 2 weeks time you will run and come back and tell me thank you. There's no joke. This recipe is packed with a lot of nutrients and it works so amazing. Like as I always said, you don't need to break the bank before you can grow your hair. Simple things around you can help you to achieve that your hair goal. Can also help you to solve those your hair problems you have been praying for. So this bitter leaf juice is a solution to that your hair problem. This bitter leaf juice is a prayer answer to that your hair problems. Okay, indeed it will help you a lot. Please try it and come back and give me your feedback. Okay, I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know in comment section below. Okay, and also please, if you are not joined this Brave family, please do wait to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, also help me to turn on the post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, believe me, you will never regret joining this Brave family. So come, let's grow our hair together without breaking the bank. Okay, welcome to the family. And also please, if you have not liked this video up to this point, please do wait to click on that like button. It really helps me a lot, encourage me and motivate me to bring out more good content to you guys. Okay, thank you so much for doing that for me. And also please help me to share this video to your family and friends, so that they get the good news on today's video. They will know how powerful bitter leaf juice can be to our hair. They will know that bitter leaf juice is a game changer for us. And the good part of this bitter leaf juice is not only for natural hair, it's for all hair type. Okay, relaxed hair, dreadlock, any type of hair you want to grow, you can also use this recipe on your hair. So guys, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys. Let me know your own feeling in comment section below. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.